Repeat this with me before we begin. 2026 is the year my life blossomed without fuss. What did I say? 2026 is the year my life blossoms without. Hey, beautiful souls. Happy New Year and welcome to 2026. Before we start, I just want to take a deep breath with you for a moment because making it to a new year, especially after everything we've been through, is not small, it's powerful. 2026 feels different to me. It feels softer but stronger. It feels intentional. It feels like a year where we stop surviving and finally start living on purpose. This year, I'm not rushing, I'm not forcing, I'm not chasing energy that drains me. 2026 is the year I blossom in my career, in my confidence, in my peace, and in my family. And today's video is not about pressure or perfection, it's about alignment. It's about choosing yourself gently, consistently, honestly. So if you're ready to step into 2026 with clarity, confidence, and calm power, this video is for you. Let's begin by closing the old year with grace. Before we talk about becoming, we need to honor what we survived. 2025 and the years before taught us lessons we didn't even ask for, but they shaped us. So I want you to ask yourself, what did I learn? What did I outgrow? What no longer fit the version of me I'm becoming? You don't need to carry old pain into a new season. You don't need to explain your healing. You don't need permission to move forward. 2026 does not need the old weight carried upon you all the time. You don't need those weights coming with you in 2026. No, we don't. This year, we are releasing guilt. We release comparison. We release timeline that we're never, ever asked to begin with. So, please say this with me. I release what no longer serves the woman I'm becoming. Repeat that every day and see what this 2026, how it's going to be, what's going to come for us. So yeah, that's my first tip. So now let's move on to the next tip. Step number 2, deciding who you are in 2026. Because this year isn't about doing more. This year isn't about being intentional. So ask yourself, who do I really want to be daily? How do I want to feel when I wake up? What energy do I bring into rooms? In 2026, I choose to be grounded. I choose to be confident. I choose to be soft but disciplined. I choose to be loving but protected. I choose to be ambitious but peaceful. Your identity shapes your habit. Your habit shapes your life. You don't rise to the level of your goals. No, you rise to the level of your self-image. So instead of saying, I want more money, or I want more this, I want more that, no, we don't need all of more. I want more. No, we don't need that. I want. No, this 2026, we are standing on manifesting and achieving all our goals, all the things we dreamt of, things that we wanted to do before that we couldn't do. This 2026 is a chance for us to move forward, to move step ahead. So learn to always put yourself in that place where you feel her, that girl, you know, the girl you dream of becoming, that girl that you always wanted to be, but you don't know or you don't believe that you can be that girl, because everyone or anyone can be who they want to be, how they want to be, how they want to live their life. So this 2026, we're not gonna live it like we live before the 2025 or the past years. This one is totally different. This one is a new year, new beginning. And if you're watching this on the first, this is a real good sign that this 2026 is for you. So this 2026, we're not going to talk about I want more, I want more. No, we don't. So instead of saying I want more, you instead say I am a woman who manages, attracts, and respect abundance. Instead of saying I want peace, instead say I am a woman who chooses peace daily. These affirmations are affirmations that need to be said daily, on daily basis. Keep saying this affirmation. Affirmations are really good. You know, they become you. They become part of you. The more you keep saying good things about you, the more good things keep coming for you. Because this 2026 is all about manifesting our dream goals, achieve whatever is it that we always wanted to be, with no fear, no nothing. We don't care about what people say. No, not anymore. All of that has to be behind. This time we're choosing peace. We're choosing to move forward. We're choosing a better life for ourselves. We don't have to feel sad or angry about what we didn't achieve. All we need to do right now is to move forward gracefully, beautifully, and become that woman, the woman that we want to become, and achieve our goals, our dream. Negativity, we don't need that. Avoid people that are negatives. Avoid circles that are not good for you. No, this time we're choosing positivity. We are choosing to be in our goddess's energy. We are choosing to be in our femininity energy, our feminine energy. We are choosing to be that girl. That girl will always dream and always say, oh, I wish to become one day this girl. I want to be that girl. Become her now. The time is always now. We don't have time to sit down and start thinking about what we didn't do before, or what went wrong. No, let's just put all that aside and let's choose to move forward with peace, harmony, prosperity, abundance, you know, love, friendship. Let's choose positivity over chaos. No, this 2026 is about soft life. It's about us being there now for ourselves. It's about us choosing ourselves this time. Not aggressively. No, you're just pouring love into yourself. As I always say, you cannot be pouring love in everyone else's cup and then yours is left. So moving on to step number 3, setting intention, not pressure. Let's talk about goals, but differently. In 2026, we are not chasing unrealistic expectation. No, we're not. We are creating aligned intention. I like to break my year into simple focus areas. Like, for example, personal growth, career or business wise, family and relationship, health and self-care, and also finance. These are how I will be breaking my simple focus down. So I have everything in place, everything is easy, everything is in step. That's how I plan my life every time. So this is how I'm gonna plan my 2026. I'm going to be breaking down my year into simple focus, my personal growth, career, business, family wise, finance, health, self-care, and for each area I ask myself like what would make this area feels lighter, not heavier. This is also where writing things down becomes powerful. I'm someone who believes that when you write your vision, it becomes real, not because it's magic, but because it becomes visible. And personally, I use a planner to map out my intentions, routine, and reflections, not obsessively, of course, but gently. It helps me stay grounded and focused without overwhelming myself too much. I'll leave my planner link below for anyone who likes structure with softness, but whether you use mine or not, I truly believe having to write and place your intention, your vision really matters. So I'll be linking down a link to my planner in case any of you would like to get one planner from there, then you can check it down, but you don't have to get mine. But just it's really good for us to be putting things down and seeing it every day. It makes us happy. I personally love it. I personally enjoy putting things down. Of course, this is why I have planner right now online. So yeah, so I'll be linking down below. So yeah, let's move to step number 4. Moving on to step number 4, building a successful but peaceful routine. Your routine is your foundation. That's for fact. That's for sure. In 2026, we don't glorify burnout. No, we don't. We glorify balance. Success doesn't come from doing everything. It comes from doing the right thing consistently. Simple routine pillars to follow like morning clarities, even 10 minutes sitting down, focus, and meditating or exercise and stuff like that. Yeah, you can have 10 minutes writing down things, and also one focused priority per day, and time for rest without feeling guilt about it. And you have to also do a reflection before sleeping. Before you sleep every night, do some reflection. You don't need a perfect schedule actually. You need a repeatable rhythm. Discipline doesn't mean harshness, it means self-respect. These are some affirmations that you should be following every night or every morning, but just make sure you say, oh my god, sorry about that. The video is cutting because I'm having trouble with battery. So yeah, so let's move on quickly to where we were. Okay, with the affirmation part. So let's speak life into this year. So repeat after me or write this down. 2026 is a year of overflow and alignment. I am supported, I am protected, and I am guided. My career is expanding with ease. My family is safe, loved, and flourishing. I attract opportunities that matches my worth. I trust my timing. I allow myself to blossom. And you have to remember this, guys, that words shapes reality. So you have to speak kindly to yourself every day and make sure that these affirmations are daily. We need to be speaking good to ourselves softly, kindly, like the way we would with other people. We can give that same love to ourselves. So guys, make sure to always have your daily affirmation, right? Or you can write them down. For me, I personally love writing things down because it's easy for me to see them, and visualize, and it stays in my mind. The more you write, the more things stays in your mind, whether digitally or whether physically. It doesn't matter, as long as you can put things down. That's really matter. Make sure to say your affirmation, your gratitude, journal what you're grateful for and things you're happy for, what you hope for this year. So make sure to write all of them down, and yeah, find a planner. Oh, get mine, of course. And yeah, so let's move to the final step, which is step number 5, closing and invitation. Sorry. Okay, as we step into 2026, remember this: you don't need to become someone new, you need to return to who you truly are. This year is about consistency over chaos, it's about peace over pressure, it's about purpose over proving ourselves. If you're walking into 2026 with hope in your heart, trust me, girl, even small one, that's enough. And thank you for starting this year with me, and also thank you for trusting me. Thank you for growing with me. And if you want tools to support your journey, I'll leave everything linked below, including my planner for those who feel called to it. Here is to blossoming. Here is to abundance. Here is to us. Happy 2026 and stay blessed, guys. So make sure to follow me, like, comment, and subscribe, and tell me what idea next you guys will want me to do next, whether it's about financial tip, whether it's about spiritual journey, or whatever. Let me know, and I would like to see your comment down below about what you think about this video. And yeah, so stay blessed, and happy 2026, happy new year to you all, and may we all succeed in whatever is it that we're looking for, and whatever is it that we are open for. May this 2026 be a year of joy, abundance, and happiness, and good laughter and love in our life. So peace, guys. Take care. Bye.